Okay, got a quick conduit pull. House is right there, and tub is right there. Let's get it set up.
I got my stuff coming in there. That's where the box is there, and then my
It's going up.
yeah, then my tech box, like my area is going to be up in here.
Oh, interesting. Not in the basement.
No, because yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so because like it's like this is central, right? And
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
And it's like with concrete floors, I put it in the basement, and then I'm just like,
No, for sure.
you know,
Yeah, that's fine.
up in the closet.
So you have just 2 runs going?
So I have one going.
Oh, I guess it's not that.
One going up to an office, and then one downstairs to a ceiling mount.
Okay.
Box that I'm gonna put on, and then.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll need a longer raceway than that.
Yeah. I'll be honest with you, just as a consult, just if I were you, it might be a little late for you, but I would really recommend like getting some type of wiring up to that corner to have like a ceiling mounted AP, because that would be a perfect location to broadcast this whole area.
Yeah, it's not too late because I do electrical.
Yeah, exactly. So that would be like ideal to put an AP like in the corner
just
there.
Like with a Cat 6.
Yeah, Cat 6, yeah. And because you're obviously going to have like a powered switch here, and you can just have a PoE over to the switch.
Exactly.
You don't need power, just...
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm playing with, the one downstairs with the ceiling now.
Yeah, so yeah, I would just use something like this. If whatever, if you're going to buy more, it's fine. But I thought you were going like through the floor down.
No.
But yeah.
And then my backup one is like, if it ever becomes redundant or if I have to do something, because there's a closet in here.
Yeah.
And then so I put that plug there.
Yeah.
For that, so that like if something has to get punched, you know, straight through there, and then the modem has to be here. Then, then it can be there, like worst case scenario.
Yeah, and then you could feed the signal over that way with this. So
exactly.
Technically you could do that, and no need to even run the fiber all the way there. But
yeah, but that's just an option.
Yeah. Okay. Are you gonna use this then, or
no? You can take that because I'll get a full run.
Yeah. Really.
Was it like 1 inch?
This is 1 1/4.
Yeah.
Maybe 1. I have this left over from it.
Throw a pull string in it when I do it.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah, it's a lifesaver down the line because like fiber's so finicky, you know, like you.
That's fine. Yeah, I guess that Cat 6 is useless. I guess.
Yeah, it's just maybe you can rerun it that way or something, but I would leave it as a redundancy, and like you were saying, in case one down the line you have to, because then you can feed the signal over to your closet from there.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
it's in there, but you could pull it out and put it in this too, but whatever.
Yeah, the only thing outside there's no grounding screw over there. But
There's no what?
There's no ground. It's not ground bond.
It doesn't need to be grounded.
Oh, it's not.
No, I mean you might need it to pass.
The electrical inspector grilled me on it yesterday.
It's so stupid, man. Like they're so out of date on their like it. There's no current going through here. Like if it was coax, yes, but like fiber is dielectric. You're not getting any current. I don't understand. They really have to change
the only thing it grilled me on was that and my clamps being on the wrong side. Those are the two things.
Well, you actually installed this right. You know how many times I go and the risers are fully squished?
Oh, yeah,
and it's like
exactly.
People are just so oblivious. I don't know if their apprentice installed it or what, but like, yeah, it's good. You actually did this first, so I can actually do it. Yeah. I always show up and conduits are just stubbed here, and they're like, just pull it through, and I'm like, I can't. I need to leave it in a box. So, yeah. Anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm guessing it's that conduit there. 35528. Port 3. Okay, we're starting our third drop of the day, and this one is both simple and complicated. Had a couple issues. The order is for a tattoo parlor actually inside this front part of the plaza here. It's like a strip along a main road, and we have an MPT up here and lines that go across and in. And the first unit here has fiber on the exterior just because it touches an outside wall, but the unit is like a couple units in. So what we're going to do is follow this black coax line right under that overhang roof on the staircase. There's a little conduit, and that's going to lead us right into the mechanical room, hopefully, and we'll be able to get that done. So I'm going to get everything set up and just bang this one out. So normally for a situation like this, I would definitely run a double drop. Unfortunately, I'm a little low on double drops, so I will just be running a single. There are 9 units to be fed off of this, and regardless, there's not that many ports available, so it is what it is. I think they're going to have to do some type of MDU multi-dwelling unit build for this, which is kind of the argument that delayed this, but we're going to run a 50 and get her done. It's a little chilly here in the shade, so sub our vest for this guy. Nope, not long enough. You know, I just realized something. We don't even need to run the fiber all the way inside, because they can just run clear curve inside that conduit over and down into this box. So I think I'm just going to leave the fiber in here and avoid going through there altogether. Not sure why it's like some weird security screw. So I think that might make it easier on us. We can just run another drop into here, and yeah, that might make it simple. Let's get to it. What's going on here? So it looks like, I mean, I might just follow that path. Might as well, there's already a cable going that way. Oh, port 4 was open. I'll change that to port. Let's go through that. And plug in right here. So you guys can see that. Not blinded by the sun. There is something wrong with this port. I think the thread might have just been dusty. Sure, what's going on here? I just realized there's a loop around, so we can actually get through. Okay. Oh, I forgot my drill. It's odd. Not a mistake I make often. Let's have a backup. Okay. Okay. Okay, looking good. So normally I would use a ram horn, maybe up there, but I think we can get away with this right here. Sweet. Please don't run over my pylons. Okay. No! Get back on there. Okay, that's better. Let's put a zip on this side to be safe. Sweet. Okay. So now it's good. Double them up. Oh, look at this 90-degree bend. That's rough on the clear curve. Zip on the fiber so bad. No, no. Pinch the light. One zip. No. It's fine. Okay, another one down. 2 more to go. Okay, we have a quick little aerial to do. MPT's above me. We're gonna cross to that pole into the house. It's a road crossing, but it's a pretty dead road, so not too worried about it. Running out of daylight, so let's get this done. I'm gonna run the double. Look at this mess. These cables are so tight. Ugh. I hate when they do this stuff, man. Like, why do you leave the cable so tight? You don't know what a waterfall is. Some are loose, some are tight. Just can't seem to follow any type of. This isn't the prettiest. I would normally like come off further, but I'm gonna cross right here. Can you tell I'm in a rush? Little trick on crossing the road, always grab the coil and your hang slack so you can bring both across the street at the same time. First thing, hang this, get it off the road. Oh man, this coil is almost too heavy. Oh. Yeah, I think this coil is too heavy. I'm gonna eyeball this. I think we're pretty close there. 2 more spins for good luck. All right, good luck to me. We may be cuck there, but it's hanging there, so we'll see. I should have put a zip on it. It's okay. Figure it out. I have like an hour left of daylight. All right, let's boogie. There's so much deer shit everywhere. Ugh. Okay, nothing kinked. That's not good. What the hell? Yikes. Okay. Sweet. Okay. That is on the verge of breaking. Nope, yeah, that was gonna happen. Oh. Beauty. Let's get this one up to height. Okay, looking good. Yeah, oh, 20 meters extra, not too bad. Alrighty, let's get out of here. Alright guys, last one of the day, kind of. I have to do an audit thing in another town, but I'm on my way home after this. So MPT above me, house is right behind me. I have to go through some trees kind of annoying to be honest, but I think I'm gonna take the path of least resistance and get through. Should be easy. Nap, house. Let's get her done. I'll be able to grab that. So much poop. Ryan McMahon. That sounds familiar. Oh man, I'm tired. Is this the 5th one today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Drop number 5. And normally it's like whatever. I can do 6, 8 in a day, but in the condition that I'm in, it's rough. Oh, that would have sucked. Wait. I don't have hangers or anything. What am I up to? Getting ahead of myself. I want to go home. 3-hour drive after this and a little job in between. Okay. I think that should be good. Nap right at the pole. Love it. Okay, I can't really come off this side. I think I might be able to come off that hook there. Move the arrow face down. Pop that guy in. That copper over there is aerial trespass. Fuck. You want the line to have a twist in it so that it keeps the shape of the loop. Beauty. Okay, pretty much done here. Somewhere on there. Well, I'm so excited to watch Invincible tonight. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys watch Invincible. It's so good. The animation's a little meh, but Left or right? What do you guys think? Vote in the comments. It's like a reverse strip. Since the cable kind of fell out. $6179. Trying to remember. 60. And that's another one done. Thanks for watching. Drop a sub, leave a like and comment. Tune in next time. Let me know if you want to join the Discord. It's popping off.